Yeah. It's tough. It's tough because you want to trust people because you're doing music. You want to just really be in the studio and do music. And, you want everything else to be taken care of, and you can't do that. You got to be involved.
So, what are your 5 things you might tell young Todd that he needs to know? Number 1.
Well, to start off, I should have stuck to being my own label. I shouldn't have gave all those records to other labels. If I would have stuck to myself, I would have been in millions if I just would have just did it all myself. But you don't know that when you're starting out fresh and, you try to work with everybody. But if I would have just stuck to myself throughout this whole duration, it would have been a whole different career. So that's one.
Number 1. Number 2.
The other things is doing me more. Me sometimes going off and sounding like maybe somebody else or mimicking somebody else. Never a good idea. It's it's interesting, but you got to stick to your own guns. You got to be yourself as much as possible. Don't let a money or a label push you into sounding like this guy because they just don't want to pay that guy and they want to pay you half. That's kind of a mistake. Some of them good, some of them bad, but you keep it moving. The other thing is
number 3.
Trusting.
I've done that as well in the past.
Yeah.
No, I've done that in the past. And you're right. Like just being yourself and being, focusing on yourself and just believing. It's a lot about belief in yourself as well. Do you find?
Yeah. It's just crazy when labels, they offer you money. We want something like this, and you're like, and you go and do it. It's never a good move. Never a good move. Sometimes it works out. I have done, mimicking of certain people, and it worked out big for me. I've had records from that, but it's always better to stay just true to yourself.
This is a good one.
Duration, from beginning to end. It's hard to do, but that's the way to go.
Number 3.
Number 3 is management. I had an old manager, and I trust my manager with everything, and I got robbed.
Oh, dude.
So, you got to watch out. I wish I could have watched it a little bit more, but, you see money come in. You don't think about all the other money that's out there being taken from you, So that was that's a smack in the face, but that's also, it takes you to the future, but I wish I didn't go through it. It was unnecessary at the end of the day. The other thing was
that sucks.
The next one, number 4, right?
Yes, number 4. Yes.
I wish I would have watched my publishing more. I did retain a whole bunch of it, but it would have been better to watch it just a little bit more. So this goes back to like, you sticking with yourself from the beginning to the end. These all tie into that whole segment. You know what I'm saying? And so number 5, right?
Yeah, number 5. Yeah. Amazing.
I wouldn't have been with that stupid bitch. I should have left her alone. That's number 5. Then I would have told myself, leave that bitch alone. That bitch is messing you up. So that's what I would have told my younger self. For real.
It sounds like you've made all the mistakes and gone through them all, and then learned so much shit over the way.
It's life, man. We all could, have predictions when we're younger. Forget about it. We'll all be rich and famous, and all the things go the right way. You got to learn it. Unfortunately,
yeah,
you got to learn.
You mentioned about management there. Do you think there's a lot of young and new producers in our audience? Do you think they need managers right away, or do you think that's something you can just? What are your thoughts on that?
I think you need to hit record first, and then always managers will come. But then you just gotta keep an eye on them. They're controlling, your money, your whole way of looking at things. And, they make some bad decisions because they're trying to be big as well. Two people trying to be big together is a group. You gotta think about if you want to be in a group, you want to be in a boy band, you gotta watch it because there's egos, it could go any way,
I bet. Yeah. And I guess that's kind of what you were saying about the learning and kind of keeping on top. And like, if you are continuously keeping your understanding what's going on yourself, then you then can keep on top of your management better as well.
Yeah. It's tough. It's tough because you want to trust people because you're doing music. You want to just really be in the studio and do music. And, you want everything else to be taken care of, and you can't do that. You got to be involved.
Amazing. Thank you for your 5. That's great. Thank you. Watch this video next for more tips for DJs and producers, and consider subscribing so you get these videos first. I have been Graham Farmer, and thanks for tuning in this week. See you next week. Bye-bye.